Hi, and thanks so much for joining me for this luxury beauty haul. So I did a pretty curated haul for Sephora, and then I shopped in other places and received some PR. So I've got some Chanel, I've got some Esum products, and Chantecaille. But let's start with the Sephora products. I ordered twice, and I got one in so far. And I noticed, I forgot to post, but I noticed they got the Giorgio Armani blushes in. Right at the beginning of the sale, they got the Armani blushes in, so I picked up a couple. There were only a couple that looked exciting to me. Oh, interesting shape on these. So it looks like this. And I picked up number 50. Oh, it's got a glow to it. Lovely. I want to swatch this, but I also need to take a photo. But let's see. Oh, okay, I was able to get enough off of there. Okay, that one looks like it's got some shimmer in it. I don't know if we can see really well how that looks. So it's like a light pink with some glow, but it looks like it might have more glow than the Valentino. And then I picked up this one in number 51. Oh, 50 and 51. This reminded me of 72 by Chanel. Like I was looking for cooler colors. And this is not glowy like the other one. So that's the order that came in. I picked up the Cotton Squares by Shiseido. 2 of those. GrandeBROW for my brows. I was tempted to try the Augustina Spotter. They have a brow serum, but I just wasn't sure. Let me know if you tried it, because I saw you can use it for brows and eyelashes, I think. So here's the GrandeBROW. Use this every evening. I picked up another Topicals Faded, and I know I said I was gonna get the smaller size, but I just ended up picking up the larger size. So that's for my dark spots. Oh, I don't have concealer on today, by the way. Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel. And I picked up the solid soap. Pretty much all the things I said I was gonna pick up. I've already gotten into the Tatcha SPF 50, so I have that one. I did pick up another NuFACE because I got into this one. I picked up the GUERLAIN Terracotta Healthy Glow Foundation. I wasn't sure of my shade, but I used the shade matcher and it came up with 4N, so we'll see if that works. I don't know, we'll see how good the shade matcher is. This looked really interesting. It's the Dr. Brandt Skincare Liquid Sun Shield Daily Brightening Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. So there are several things I like about that. Mineral SPF, SPF 50, and brightening. So I like all of those things. Kind of like the idea of the Even Up product, but it's not as heavy as that, so I was interested in that. I also picked up the Soleil Toujours Tinted Glow Lotion Mineral SPF 50. So this one looked interesting because, again, we have the mineral SPF 50 and it has a golden glow about it. So I'm really interested in that. Other SPF mineral products that I've tried tend to have a white cast, so I thought maybe this one won't, but we will try it. But those are on the way as well. And then I picked up a few Chanel products here, and I wanted to try their nail varnish in Ballerina because it looks a little bit like this. This is who is this? This is Essie. This almost looks exactly the same as it, but I wanted to test the wear on it. So this is Ballerina, and it looks a little translucent. So if you haven't tried this, I just want to see how it works on my skin tone to see how it looks. And so then I also picked up the top coat. I haven't tried their top coat before. There was a base coat, but I don't know, I thought that was overkill, but let me know if you think I need it. Le Gel Coat. Looks like this. Oh, it's a gel coat? Now I have high hopes for this. Ultra Shine and Hold Gel Top Coat. Okay, so I'll let you know what I think of this because I like this Essie combination, but like I said, I want to try the Chanel combination. And I mentioned I am almost through with all of these Chanel foundations. I have almost every one. I think I'm missing a couple at this point, but I have not tried this one, I think. It's the Vita Lumiere Aqua, and I think many of you have let me know how much you like this. I believe this is one of the lighter coverage foundations. SPF 15, not enough for me. I picked up 40. I tried 42, and it definitely is a rosier tone. So I picked up 40. So it does look quite warm for 40, because 40 is kind of like, has potential to go a little bit gray on me, but it does look quite warm, especially next to 42. 42 is very pink, which is supposed to be, it's a rosier tone. So we'll try that out, especially for the summer months. I think I need to pick up the CC cream, which I've tried, but it was a little bit like, greasier feeling on me, but I don't know, I've got to revisit that. I also have other products that I've purchased. Should I mention them? I mentioned them in vlogs. Maybe I'll include them at the end. Esum Cosmetics sent this to me, so thank you so much to Esum. We hope you love our new palettes. This says plural, palettes. We can't wait to see the gorgeous looks you create. Love Esum. Beautiful. These are a couple of the palettes. We've got this lovely package here. We have a face structure palette here, and I like that, especially for kind of what I did today. I did like a no makeup but long lasting kind of look. And so this might come in handy for something like that. And it comes like this. It's like a translucent dark plastic kind of packaging. So this is how it opens. I'm gonna slide it like this. Beautiful. Love this kind of palette because you can really build dimension in a really pretty way, especially because the textures should be very similar to each other. And they also sent this one, which is the Artistry palette number 1. Ooh, beautiful. And they all look matte. Beautiful, because they got some plum shades over here. So you've got many neutrals, from warm to cool neutrals, and then you've got these plum shades right there, and then like a little bit of a mauvey pink. I can definitely see the versatility of something like this because all matte palettes are difficult to come by. So I can see how this might be a great staple to supplement with other products in case you're looking for something that's matte and neutral. Lovely. I also was sent a couple more of the Future Skin products by Chantecaille. I think I might try something like building dimension with foundations now that I have so many shades of this. So we've got Banana here, which has a really lovely tone, like a honey tone to it. And then we've got Carob here. So I'll be able to show you those because I've got, like I said, cream. I've got one of the other shades. When I do a dedicated video highlighting Chantecaille, I'm going to show you all of those together. And there's just a couple of other things, a few other things that I picked up. Now, I picked these up on Hourglass, but I see that they're available. The Hourglass eyeshadow sticks. So we've got here Moon right here. Really pretty. And we also have Aurora, if you missed that vlog. I showed these there too. I haven't had a chance to try them on yet, but they're really pretty. And then I picked up some Cle De Peau. This is just an empty case, but it will protect your blushes if you have it. So I feel like I need to repurchase the blushes that I love because I feel like they've been so damaged because I didn't use a case for them. So definitely invest in a case, at least just one case if you pick up their blushes. And then I picked up this powder, this translucent powder. I've already like looked at it a little bit, but it looks beautiful. I loved their loose translucent powder, and this is just so finely milled. You can just feel it on touch. It feels so smooth, like it doesn't feel like anything. So I've got that, and I picked up their mascara, which now I don't know where it went. But I also picked up that mascara, and there are many products that I've talked about in vlogs, but I haven't talked about in sit-down videos, but you'll definitely see them in play, including this lip that I have on. Make sure to tune to future videos if you want to see everything in action. But I believe today is the last day of the Sephora savings event, so if you have not yet shopped, I hope this was a reminder about some of those staple items that I'll go through until the end and frequently repurchase in case you wanted to pick anything up last minute. But that is it for today's video, so please take care of each other, stay well. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.